Welcome to Product Critique, where we give you the best product reviews so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into one of the best freshly picked swaddles, the Freshly Picked Swaddle blanket in the beautiful Daisy Fields pattern. If you're looking for a swaddle that's both functional and stylish, this one is a standout. Let's start with the material. This blanket is made with a perfect blend of 93% rayon and 7% spandex. The result is a fabric that's soft, breathable, and stretchy, which ensures your baby is comfortable and snug while they sleep. It's the ideal combination of support and softness for a peaceful night's sleep. One of the unique features of this swaddle is its stretchy inner snuggle band. This band applies gentle pressure from the bicep to forearm, helping to keep your baby feeling secure, while ensuring there's no pressure on their hips or shoulders. This design supports healthy joint development, which is crucial during the early months of life. And the best part? It allows you to swaddle tightly without making your baby feel restricted, which is key to keeping them calm and cozy. This swaddle has a quiet closure system. This means you can change diapers in the middle of the night without waking your baby up. A real lifesaver for sleep-deprived parents. The stretchiness of the fabric also makes it easy to adjust the swaddle to the perfect fit every time, keeping your baby safe and warm. Maintenance is a breeze as well. The swaddle is machine washable and comes with a mesh laundry bag, ensuring it stays in great condition wash after wash. Whether you're at home or on the go, it's ready for whatever life throws at you. The Freshly Picked Swaddle blanket comes in one size, measuring 36 inches by 30 inches, making it perfect for babies of all sizes. It's lightweight, which means it can be used year-round, offering comfort in all seasons. It's also great for napping, making it a versatile addition to your baby's essentials. In terms of design, the Daisy Fields pattern is simply adorable. It's a floral print that adds a touch of beauty without being overwhelming, making it the perfect accessory for your little one's nursery. Plus, this swaddle is backed by a trusted small business, Freshly Picked, which has a reputation for creating high-quality, functional baby products designed by moms, for moms. All in all, if you're looking for a swaddle that is comfortable, functional, and beautiful, the Freshly Picked Swaddle blanket in Daisy Fields is a top contender. It checks all the boxes when it comes to convenience, safety, and style. If you're interested in purchasing one, you can find it on Amazon today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.